Hi, welcome to Physics Teacher. In this video, I will use some demonstrations to analyze what the primary colors are. To do this, we first need to realize that there are two different ways to combine colors. We can add them with light or subtract them with pigments. Let's start with adding colors with light. The primary colors for light are red, green, and blue. If we mix only two colors, we can produce our secondary colors. Green and blue make cyan, blue and red make magenta, and finally, red and green make yellow. Moving on to our primary colors of pigments, we see that the primary and secondary colors have been reversed. This is because instead of adding those colors of light that we see, we're subtracting them. Take a red shirt, for example. If all primary colors of light hit the red shirt, blue and green get absorbed or subtracted, and only red is reflected. This reflected red light is what hits our eyes to allow us to see the shirt as red. How about a yellow shirt? A yellow shirt will only absorb the color blue, reflecting red and green light, which add to give yellow. Since yellow only absorbs one primary color of light, you can't make yellow by mixing other pigments together. This makes yellow a primary color for pigments. The other primary colors are magenta and cyan. Let's look at how we mix two colors then. Take yellow and cyan. Yellow absorbs and subtracts all the blue light, and cyan absorbs all the red light. This leaves only green light, so yellow and cyan make green, a secondary color for pigments. So your primary colors depend on whether you're painting or looking at the light on your phone screen.